You can see the pattern, how beautiful this piece is. Plus on the next side you can see the proper thread work and the sequence work. In this set also you are going to get 4 pieces, M, L, XL, double XL, and you can see the fabric also, it's going to be pure cotton dupatta. Which piece I am wearing, I am going to show it on the sample table. You can see how beautiful this pink magenta color is, and you can see the detailing of white work plus with the sequence work. You can see how beautiful it is. If you want this collection, premium handwork collection along with the thread work, you can get this collection. It's very beautiful. If you want to see the full video, you can, don't skip this video because I'm going to show this collection. You can see this, it's in premium thread work collection. You can see the fabric, alongside you will get the lining with it. You can see the cotton lining with it. And if I talk about the top, or if I talk about the bottom, you're going to get this type of proper big dupatta with the proper premium thread work. You can see the thread work along with it, and you can see the thread work lace also. If I talk about the pants, you can see the same Roman silk pant fabric. You can see how beautiful it's, and you can see the fabric, and even you can see it's in the same fabric of the top. If you want to place this order, you have to do one thing, you have to take a screenshot, and you can see the number on the screen. You can directly call us, WhatsApp us. Next color is going to be very beautiful. It's in golden color. You can see how beautiful it's crafted, and on the bottom you can see the thread work and the sequence work. It's how beautiful it's crafted. This is also going to come with a lining, and you can see the firma as well. If I talk about the top, if I talk about the bottom, you can see the same Roman silk bottom wear. And if I talk about the dupatta, you are going to get proper thread work dupatta with it. You can see how beautiful the dupatta is, and you can see the minimum proper thread work with it. If I talk about this collection, this is going to be very trendy because you can see the vibrant color. Which piece I am wearing, I am going to show it on the sample table. You can see how beautiful this pink magenta color is, and you can see the detailing of white work plus with the sequence work. You can see how beautiful it is. If I talk about the set, in this you will going to get same color, same design, M, L, XL, double XL, and you can see how beautiful this piece is. If I talk about the dupatta, you are going to get the jacquard dupatta with it. You can see the jacquard dupatta also, proper 2.15 meter dupatta with jacquard detailing, and you can see the printing as well as the zari work detailing as well. Now next color is going to be very beautiful, yellow and vibrant color. You can see the embroidery, you can see the pattern, how beautiful this piece is. Plus on the next side you can see the proper thread work and the sequence work. In this set also you are going to get 4 pieces, M, L, XL, double XL. If you want to order these collection for your shop, for your boutique, you can directly call us, visit us. Pan delivery is also available, Pan India delivery is also available, international delivery is also available. Secondly, COD is available, and if you want to place this order, you can directly video call us, place your order, because this is the time you can earn very good profit in the market. If I talk about the dupatta, you are going to get the same jacquard dupatta with it, proper 2.15 meter. You can see the dupatta also, very big dupatta along with it, and you can see the fabric also, it's going to be pure cotton dupatta. So now let's go on to the next collection. Beautiful and black collection, very favorite for the women. A lot of women love this color. You can see this pattern also. This is going to be very beautiful, and you can see the pattern designing on the neck, on the bottom as well. In this segment you are going to get along with it a proper jacquard dupatta with a bronze detailing and the same contrast pant. And if I talk about the last piece, now this is the last piece. You just have to do one thing. This is your channel. Like, comment and share, and secondly, comment down below from where you're watching this video.